Hello and welcome to another quick tutorial from EPOS. Today I'm going to discuss with you how to set up the SMTP email settings on the actual software. So what do we mean by that? So basically what you can do, if you've obviously got a email system from another provider, like for example, you know, Google Mail, Hotmail, that sort of stuff, they've got their own servers which they send their information out to. Obviously you might have your own company version as well, so just bear that in mind. You might need to get the details off them, but today I'm just going to show you how to just set one up via my own one, which is, for example, is going to be like a Gmail account. So if you're wondering how to get hold of these settings, a nice quick easy way of doing it is just to Google it. So I've literally gone on to Google and just typed in Gmail SMTP settings, which is simple mail transfer protocol, and it gives you the details here. So this basically tells you what they are, and then all we literally need to do is input these into the system themselves. So what we can do now, if we put that one down here, for example, go to setting administration, go to software settings, and in the actual filter keyword we'll just type in okay, so there they are here. So I know from looking at Google, my username is going to be the actual address. So if I type in my support EPOS.co.uk, and then I put in my password for that particular account. So that's not my password, but you know, get the idea. The port number. Now we know that obviously if we limp over to here, now there's a few choices here. Better hit miss sometimes, but let's go for that one. Okay, and then we'll pop that one in there like so, and then the SMTP server address. So we know again from Google it is that right there. Let's make sure we don't get the full stop in there as well. Okay, pop that one down, throw those details in there, and there you have it. That's pretty much all you need to do. So best way to test that is what we can do is we can go from the settings now. Let's go to replenish stock. That's a nice easy way to check. Go on this one. I'm going to go to email order. You're then presented with these. Obviously, there's a video already showing you how the Gmail works. Obviously, you can take it from our servers, or again use your own external server. So literally all you need to do is click that, click accept, and follow the same system as you would normally do. So you go through there, obviously put in the PDF, and then obviously type in the email address and send it. Then you get a confirmation saying it's being sent, and your outbox will also be filled up with this one as well, and into your sent items as well. So this way it bypasses any other program you might be using to run your actual email, like for example Outlook. It will go directly to the server, send it out, and so that you can see all the information from your own mailbox instead of using our own software to be able to see your sent emails. So there you have it. Nice, quick, easy one for you. Any questions, anything like that, please feel free to call EPOS. Take care. See you now.